guys, today we are making ring onions. Let's see how to make. Come on.
Add 2 cups of corn flour in a plate. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well. Add a bit water and mix it well. You will get a mixture like this. Now dip the ring onion in the corn flour mixture. Next, the breadcrumbs, and keep it aside in a plate for deep frying it later. Heat a pan. Add 500 ml of coconut oil. When the oil is heated up, deep fry the ring onions. Please do try this recipe at your home. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos.